Hello students, myself Aishwarya Patudharmat. Today I am going to start the second chapter of your physics syllabus, that is low temperatures. In this chapter we are going to discuss about ideal and real gases and also the production of low temperatures. To know about the ideal and real gases, let us know about the gas laws. As we all know that the matter in nature exists in three states, that is in solid, liquid and gaseous states. Here gas is a form of matter. There are many elements which exist in gaseous state at standard temperature and pressure. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, helium, chlorine, etc. are the elements which exist in gaseous state at standard temperature and pressure. The behavior of gas can be governed by through state variables such as temperature, volume, pressure, etc. The behavior of gases is governed by gas laws called Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's law. These are the four fundamental gas laws which govern the behavior of a gas. By using these four gas laws, we are going to derive an equation for a gas, that is PV is equals to nRT. Before going to that equation, let us have brief information about Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law and Avogadro law. The Boyle's law states that for a given mass of a gas at constant temperature, the pressure of the gas is inversely proportional to its volume. That is, at constant temperature, P is inversely proportional to volume. Its volume, that is, the product of pressure and volume is always constant at a given temperature. When the temperature is kept constant, the lines and the curves are called isotherms. That means whenever we draw the curve for the pressure and volume at a given temperature, the nature of curve obtained is called isotherm and it looks like an hyperbola. The next law is Charles' law. For a given mass of a gas at given temperature, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. That is, at constant temperature, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to its temperature. It means if the temperature is increased, its volume also increases and vice versa. That means the ratio of volume to the temperature is always a constant. When the pressure is constant, across the lines and the curves is called isobar. That means the curve obtained by plotting the graph of volume versus temperature at constant pressure is called an isobar. The third law is the Gay-Lussac's law. For a given mass of a gas at constant volume, the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. That means whenever we keep the volume constant of a given mass of a gas, then the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. That means the pressure increases with the increase in temperature. Example for this is the pressure cooker. By keeping the volume of the cooker constant, we are going to increase the temperature By that, the pressure inside the cooker also increases, and hence we are able to cook the things very fast. The nature of curves obtained by plotting the curve. The nature of curve obtained is straight line by when we plot the graph of pressure versus temperature, and these curves are called as isocores. The last law is the Avogadro law. At constant pressure and temperature, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of the gas. That means whenever we keep the pressure and temperature constant, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of the gas. That means if we increase the number of moles of the gas, the volume of the gas increases. That means the ratio of volume to the number of moles of gas is always a constant, and that constant is called as molar volume. Alternatively, we can state that at constant temperature and pressure, equal volume of gases will contain equal number of moles of gas. This is about the Avogadro law. By considering these four laws, we are going to derive an expression for the gas. That expression is called ideal gas equation. We shall discuss that one in the next video. Thank you.